I hate cologne.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Matthew.
Yeah, I do.
There you go.
Hello, Scott.
Hey, Jackie.
After that bit of drama, what are we doing today?
We are delivering the car to Phil XDR Motors.
Yeah, we're getting a new Loom. That's good.
Great.
Yeah. So the car is all set up, ready to go. We're going on a road trip.
Road trip to Salisbury.
The Salisbury. Yep. We're going to get a new Loom. It's going to be fun. I'm excited. We get to go see our Phil. We got the car in the back there, if you can see it. There's it. Going to get a new Loom. Doing Scott things. Hello.
Hello.
What?
You okay? We've gone down to XDR. How exciting!
Matt's first time.
Yep, I've never been to this unit before. Nope. Went to the old one many times, but
he's been there 5 months. I was like, I think he's been there longer than that.
Googled it. It was December 20, or I went through my orders. 23. It's the puppy. She don't look like a puppy anymore. Hello. She's massive.
She's in season as well. Oh, she's been done, has she?
Hello. You're massive now. You have some projects and a half here, don't you? Look at that. That is magical. Oh, hello. Very nice. So this is XDR. He does wiring, and he's going to make our car work, finally. Hello.
Hello.
You okay?
Hungover. Sunday.
It is Sunday. We've come down to see Phil. Hello, doggy. So, we got the car on the ramp. It looks pretty.
It's broken. Staying there.
It is broken. That's why it's here. So
6
we're going to fix
months.
it. Make it better.
6 months later,
So what is the plan? What are you going to do?
I'm going to make your Loom less poo.
Yeah? Pretty bad, isn't it?
Well, yeah. We hacked it about a few times, didn't we?
We did. Yeah, it's definitely...
It served the purpose.
It did.
But now it's big point territory now.
Yep. Get a nice Loom.
All of that 300 horsepower it's going to make.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You know.
30 year shifts you're gonna do.
So many.
All that heavy flat shifting at 300 RPM.
Yep.
But yes, we shall just take away the old B16 hashed about Loom.
Yep.
Which will make it all pretty and
Can we see your Loom area?
yeah,
Hello.
can do.
Follow you.
I don't know if it's tidy or not. Probably not.
There are some cool cars in there.
This one's been dragged out the hedge 15 years ago. First start the other day.
Oh, is that this one?
That's the one.
No way.
I drove that car in 2009, I think it was.
So for anybody who doesn't know, Phil makes looms and has done for a very long time.
And this is the disaster area.
Nice.
This is where I spend 90% of my life,
Yep.
where I have been.
I can tell by the coffee and all the Howtech bags.
But yeah,
Nice.
so
Definitely well set up for this.
we're getting there.
Yeah.
We're getting there slowly and surely. I haven't got time to make everything as good because I'm too busy with cars.
Yeah.
Don't even have time to put all my cardboard boxes away.
I like it. It's cool up here. Got all the shiny things. Look at that. I saw that stuff the other day on Facebook. You just chop it out, don't you?
Yeah, it's good actually.
Look at
Yeah,
that.
just put a bit of tape around a stand knife blade, the depth you want it, and you just run it through so you can't go deeper and just pull it
Yeah,
out.
nice.
Yeah, it's good.
So what's the plan with the Loom? You're just going to depen all the old stuff? Make it
No,
all
I'm going to
pretty?
make a brand new one. Deep in your old stuff.
Using the plugs though? Oh no, we've got new plugs, haven't we?
No, I'm not deep in them.
We've got new ones somewhere.
We have. They're somewhere up here. They're probably in a box somewhere.
Yeah.
But anyway. So this is Matt's harness.
How pretty.
This is the secret harness Matt doesn't know about.
This is your new harness. This is the new one.
Yeah.
So Matt's been bodging for years.
We have.
There you go. There's that bit we're not.
Yeah, there's
that bit we're not going to use anymore. So yes. So
This really ain't that pretty, is it?
it's not too.
I mean, it worked.
It worked,
It did
but
work.
it's just been. It's been modified more than once.
Yeah.
To do silly things that you wanted to do with your car.
Yep.
And because we put you on the new S3, you obviously got your adapter box, and then you had your OBD converter box and everything else. So boxes and boxes, and then we changed bits. So we're going to go with this. Will never go back in.
Nope.
And I shall make this
Plan's
all.
bin the jumper, isn't it? Bin the jumper and all the stuff connected.
Yes, I'm going to bin the jumper, still blend it into the car as it should be as factory, and yeah, delete like your wonderful power cable that's an amplifier cable that looks like it's been on there since
1603.
Who uses parcel tape? Who uses parcel tape?
I'm not going to incriminate myself.
It was definitely you. But anyway,
I didn't think it was.
probably was. Definitely was. So anyway, so we're just going to take. We're going to use. Well, we're not even going to worry about that. That's just never going to go back in the car ever again.
Hi, Loom.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
And then,
Nice.
And then we should be going on to ME227,
Yep.
which is military grade, mil spec, whatever you want to call it. Fully concentric, which I haven't got one to show you.
No.
No, I haven't.
Matt's concentric.
Sometimes.
But yeah,
So yeah,
that's
the
about
plan.
it really. It's, yeah,
Nice.
yeah, we're just going to fire it all into the racing heat shrink and
Make it nice,
all your
make
cam
it
and
new.
cranks and all your special sensors that need shielding will be on
Yep.
proper stuff.
Very nice.
And then that's just a few colours that I use.
Cool.
And then finish it off with aeration and put all new plugs and pins on it.
Nice.
And then
Then we shouldn't have any problems.
no, you won't
No.
unless you touch it.
I mean, can't promise anything.
And then I'll punch you in the face.
Yeah.
And then
Then we're good.
and then that'll be alright. Yeah. So and then
Nice.
and then that gauge is a 16 gauge. That's the size of the wire that we use for fuel pumps, fans, anything heavy gauge.
Is that the stuff you use for the
And that's 22 gauge.
nuke pumps at the back?
Yep. So any pump, anything that's any pump, fan, anything that's a higher amperage draw, then that's what we use for that. And then everything else is 22 gauge. So sensors.
So I guess majority of the Loom's 22 then, isn't it?
Yeah, especially in your example because it's an engine harness only. So so literally the whole Loom would be made.
Nice.
Out of 22.
How long does it normally take to make something like this? From scratch?
For yours, it'd probably be like 3 days, start to finish.
Okay, nice.
Because obviously I've got to do a nice job because it's yours, haven't I? So I've got to do it properly. Just ham it in there like your old one. But yeah, no. So yeah, probably 2 or 3 days,
Yeah, nice.
like flat out on it.
Well, hopefully we can get some footage of him doing things. Could you film some for us?
I have to do it here.
That'd be great.
Just take the camera to the roof and then watch me sit here and spin wires.
So thank you to Phil for all of his help. Hopefully we'll be back up here in a couple of weeks' time and we can go to mapping. So that should be really fun. And now we have a brand new loom. So thanks for everything and we'll catch you on the next one.